High Court has ruled that Akosua Serwaa cannot be declared the sole surviving spouse of the late high-life icon Daddy Lumba, citing insufficient evidence to support her claim. The decision follows a legal tussle over which of the musician's widows is entitled to perform the widowhood rites. ChannelOne News' Ashanti Regional Correspondent Doris Lonta has more.
During a ruling on Friday, November 28, Justice Dorinda Smith-Arthur stated that evidence before the court confirmed that Priscilla Ofori, widely known as Odo Broni, was customarily married to Daddy Lumba before his demise. The court also recognized that Akosua Serwaa had a valid customary marriage with the late musician. However, the judge rejected a German marriage certificate presented by Akosua Serwaa as proof of a civil union, explaining that the document was only an extract and not an original certificate. Justice Smith-Arthur therefore ruled that both Akosua Serwaa and Odo Broni should be acknowledged as surviving wives of the late musician and must be recognized by the Abusuapanyin during the performance of the widowhood rites. She further directed that nothing should impede the removal and burial of Daddy Lumba. Counsel for the first and second defendants welcomed the verdict, describing it as fair.
We, for Odo Broni, had all the reliefs that we wanted, save one. But it's a win for the entire family. So it's not only our win, it's a win for the entire family.
This judgment is fair. It recognizes both women as wives of Daddy Lumba, and it affords both women the opportunity to be present at the funeral and perform the necessary kuna. So it's a peaceful situation as far as we are concerned. We couldn't have wished for a better outcome.
But counsel for the plaintiff, William Kusi, expressed displeasure with the ruling, though he said he respects the court's decision. He noted that any appeal would depend on his client's instruction.
I disagree, but I respect it. It will depend on what my client says. You see, when my client says that, I should appear away.
Daddy Lumba passed away on July 26, 2025. The plaintiff, Akosua Serwaa, had asked the court to declare her as the only surviving spouse entitled to perform widowhood rites and to restrain Priscilla Ofori, known as Odo Broni, from presenting herself publicly as a wife of the late musician.
Reporting for ChannelOne News, I'm Doris Lonta.